It has been many hours since the time lapse I showed at the beginning of this video. Hubby and I just watched Klaus and it was such a cute movie. We both really enjoyed it. And we're about to order food now from Shangrila, which is a Tibetan restaurant that we like to dine at on Boxing Day. But I think this year we are going to order takeout instead. And I have a list of what we want. So hopefully they are open. Oh, hi there. I was wondering if I could order some takeout. We want an order of the chicken momo steamed. Yeah, and then also an order chicken momo fried. Yep, and then the sweet and sour chicken. Yeah, the Shangrila noodle with chicken. And the chili garlic noodle. Yeah, that's all. Sure, okay, sounds good. Thank you, bye-bye. 20 minutes. We better go now. Just picked up the food and we are heading home now. It's only 4 o'clock, but there were a bunch of tables inside already, so it's nice to see that they're doing good business. The food is so good. Here's all the food we got. Hubby is pouring us some full moon water. This is a drink that we got from Prince Edward County, I think. It's by County Bounty. We had the watermelon iced tea this morning, and because it is a full moon today, we are having the full moon water now. This is just sparkling water infused with the power of the full moon and strawberries. He's looking very confused. And as you can see, we're using our beautiful glasses. We are going to try this full moon water. We had a different flavor before, and it was very mild. It was just like sparkling water, pretty much, like bubbly type thing, but not as fizzy, I think.
Was it colored?
I like the strawberry better, I think. Oh, it's kind of tart. So there is a lot of probably like strawberry juice in it. It's good. I like this one better than the other one. I can't remember what the other one was. I did do my full moon planning today, so I do believe in the power of the moon, but it's interesting to see it on like a commercial product, especially a drink. While hubby and I eat today, we're gonna do a little quiz from one of my friends. So my friend sent me the cutest card. It says, "I wonton wish you a Merry Christmas," and it's a wonton with a Santa hat on it. And she wrote a quiz for us inside, and I've read the questions, but when I first got the card, oh, I forgot my chopsticks. You want to see the questions or no? They look like you're trying to look at them. So inside the card, she wrote a really lovely sentiment, and she also wrote a quiz for us. And there are 5 questions, so I thought we could do them while enjoying our Tibetan food, which smells really, really good. Are the noodles good? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, these are spicy. Very spicy. It's kind of like that show, Hot Ones. Yeah. We're answering questions while eating spicy food. Okay. So the first question is, who loves snow the most?
Probably me.
No?
More than you. No?
Maybe.
Like between the two of us? Yeah. I think so.
You like snow? I thought we would both not like snow.
Oh, that's not an option.
No, I know, but I thought we would not
I like
know
it more,
who
but I
liked it.
don't like
less.
it like it.
How come you think you like it more?
Because I think I like winter sports, like skiing and stuff. And I don't know. That's all.
No, but I walk in the snow more.
But you do it because you have to.
I don't have to. Yeah, I think you like snow more. I don't really like snow all that much. It's pretty, but yeah, I don't need it. Oh, this question. Do either of you like Chinese chicken balls? In quotation marks.
Chicken balls?
Yeah.
No.
It's like American
No,
Chinese
it's
food.
okay. I don't mind it.
I don't
I'll
like
eat
them. I like sweet and sour chicken, which is what we're having. But the chicken balls, if I remember correctly, they're more like... Are they mixed with
I can't
dough
remember
or
what they
something?
look like.
Are they doughy? Like chicken mixed with dough formed into a ball?
Maybe. It's
I
like
don't even know if I've had chicken
maybe I
balls.
haven't had it. Then. Yeah, maybe I haven't had it.
It's not like this, right? It's
No.
not like sweet and sour chicken.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, because I like...
I like doughy.
I don't like meat mixed with dough.
It's yummy though.
Really good. What is your favorite advent calendar for
Coffee.
this year? Oh. This is the friend where I go for power walks with her. So I did tell her that we had, I think, like 4 advent calendars this year. So we had the tea one, the coffee one, the puzzle one, and sweets.
I like the sweet ones too. The one you made.
But your favorite one is the coffee? You liked it?
Mm-hmm.
Would you get it again? Or would you want it again?
Yeah.
You?
I must like the sweet ones. Or tea.
Puzzle.
Oh, yeah.
I forgot about that one. Because you didn't do any of the puzzles. Yeah, my favorite advent calendar this year was the puzzle one. I was tempted to say tea because the tea surprised me, pleasantly surprised by how good the teas were. But I would say the puzzle advent calendar was definitely my favorite. That was a lot of fun. So many good puzzle chats and like really, really fun. I really love doing puzzles. I missed doing the puzzle yesterday and also a little bit today. I don't mind redoing them, but maybe I'll take a puzzle break until I open the 5,000 piece puzzle. Okay. So the 4th question is, if Santa Claus could be real, who would be more likely to believe?
Me.
Yeah. Hubby. Definitely. I do believe in things, but I'm like very skeptical as well. So yeah.
I believe in almost anything.
Yeah. That's funny because we just watched Klaus today, and that was about the lore of Santa Claus, or how the Santa Claus lore came to be. So in this film, he was like a real person.
Yeah.
All right, last question. Okay, so this is written in like future tense. So I'll read the question and then I'll rephrase it. So the question as it's written is, what would bring a smile to you on Christmas Day? So I'll rephrase it to be, what brought a smile to you on Christmas Day?
Going out for a walk in the morning.
That's what I was thinking too. I was thinking our Christmas walk with Lulu. 'Cause I think that's like, I'm sure it's not the only year we've ever done it, but it's the only one I can remember. We don't usually do that, right? Yeah, usually I go for my Christmas walk by myself, and then when I get home, we open stockings. But this year, I was like, oh, I'm going for a walk. Do you want to come? And then but I think I say that every year.
You do?
I think so. And so then I just like go and get ready. So I'll just say it and then I'll go and get ready. And then when I came out from the bathroom, hubby had his socks on. So I was like, oh, are you coming? And then we brought Lulu as well because it was so warm yesterday. So yeah, that was good. We had the same thing.
Ha.
So those are all the questions. That was fun, was it? That was a fun quiz. So thank you to my friend. I don't think she watches these I don't think she watches these vlogs, but that was a lot of fun. So I will definitely let her know via email or the next time I see her in January.
More next year.
Oh, hope he wants more questions next year. That's weird because you usually don't like quizzes.
But these are fun.
These are fun questions. It's not like my what scares me the most about humanity. He doesn't like those types of questions. All right, we'll finish eating now. Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 27. Oh my goodness. My brain is like, oh. I just finished recording my money reset recap video, and I was literally recording, like talking, for an hour and a half. I have an hour and a half of footage that I need to somehow edit into a 20-minute video. Didn't realize I had that much to say about money. I mean, I know I have a lot of things to say about money and thoughts about money, but I didn't realize I would ramble on for that long. I'm sure I'll be able to edit it down though, because I repeated myself a lot and I also rambled a lot and I also paused a lot because I actually had to think about some of this stuff and think about how to best articulate it in a way that wasn't so rambly and off the cuff like how my vlogs are. But I do want to bring a little bit more of a casual vibe to my main channel videos. I'm finding that a little bit harder because I'm a little bit more stiff, I think. I have a microphone and I've got a background. So I'm trying to think, how can I bring like the vlogging feel to my main channel videos while still trying to keep them concise? Because I have a bit of a struggle with being concise. I guess I like to talk a lot. You wouldn't think that because I like to be alone so much, but I am a Gemini, and Geminis are known for liking to talk and communicate. I'm currently heating up my lunch, but it takes a little while longer because I do that in the toaster oven, so I thought I would just do a bit of vlogging while I'm waiting, even though I should probably rest my voice because I do plan to film another video. I was going to wait until tomorrow, but I set up a background. As you can see, these are just curtains. Actually, the same curtains that we have in front of our closet. So we got these on Amazon, but of course these are a different color. The ones in front of our closet are like a light gray bordering on white, and these are like a truffle gray, but they have a little bit of, I think, like a green undertone versus Truffle, who has a blue undertone. I do like this curtain a lot, and I do like having the backdrop because I find the background really distracting, especially for my main channel videos. I don't mind for my vlogs because my vlogs are more casual and such, so I don't mind having like a busy background. But for my main channel videos, I do like having the cleaner background. So since I set this up already, and since it's a cloudy day, I thought I would take advantage and just power through all of the filming, and then I can focus on editing. When it's sunny, the light shifts around a lot and it's harder for me to get like consistent lighting in my video, or there are shadows like all over the place, whereas this lighting is a lot better for filming. And I just feel like getting it all done because I think tomorrow I'm probably going to feel some resistance. This morning I felt pretty good because instead of going for my walk outside, because it is such like a rainy, gloomy day, I paced back and forth in the condo while watching YouTube videos, and that was fantastic. All right, I am going to have lunch now so I can film again before hubby gets home. He is coming home pretty early today because he has an early shift, so I'd like to wrap that up and put the background away before he gets home because it's like kind of a tripping hazard and the stand goes like into the living room. Please cross your fingers for me that the footage for my media reset intro video will be short and sweet. I am all done filming and that only took 20 minutes, so that is awesome. I am going to take down this backdrop now, and then I'm going to sit in front of the computer for a length of time. Now that hubby is back at work, I want to work on a few things, namely editing and also setting up my finances spreadsheet for next year. It's been a few hours and I didn't get as much done as I was hoping, but I did do a little bit of editing, and I plan to spend the entire night editing my videos, both the Vlogmas episode that you're watching now, as well as my money reset recap video. Hubby got home not too long ago and I'm heating up dinner, so while I'm waiting for the leftovers to heat up, I thought I would get started on setting up my finances spreadsheet for next year. I also have a bunch of receipts from the past several days that I need to log into this year's spreadsheet. So let me go ahead and get that started. If you watch my Vlogmas episodes, you'll be very familiar with this process. I basically do this every year at around this time. My favorite time of the year is actually between Christmas and New Year's, because there's this pocket of time where I don't have to work, and I usually don't make plans during this time, although I did make a couple of exceptions this year. But this is usually a very empty time on my calendar where I can catch up with a ton of things, which is why I like to continue with Vlogmas. But today has been really hectic in terms of me wanting to catch up with filming and with now the finances spreadsheet, so I haven't had as much time to vlog as I've wanted to. All of my clips have been in front of the computer, as you've seen, but tomorrow I hope to putter around a little bit more and maybe go out for a walk, or maybe I'll just try to get the steps in the condo again. But I know I'm gonna feel really good once I've done my finances spreadsheet set up for the coming year. And I basically just copy and paste my current spreadsheet, so the 2023 spreadsheet. I'll just copy and paste and I'll rename it 2024. I'll delete all of the line items. I'll advance all of the dates. I'll create a new budget, but I anticipate it's going to be very similar to this year. And that's basically all I have to do to get it ready for the inputs next year. And then at the beginning of the new year, I do this on January 1st, I will close off my 2023 spreadsheet, reconciling all of my accounts, including my cash on hand. I'll take all of those closing balances for credit card, bank accounts, cash on hand, etc. All of those closing numbers from my 2023 spreadsheet will become my opening numbers for my 2024 spreadsheet. And then I put an edit password on 2023 so I don't accidentally change anything after the fact. And I start afresh in 2024. So that's what I'm about to do right now before hubby and I have dinner. Hubby's colleague made these little cakes. They're coconut and condensed milk. Super, super yummy. Oh my gosh. I would like to try to make this, so I'm gonna try to look up a recipe, and I think some rose water would be really good in this. I didn't manage to finish setting up my spreadsheet, so after I have dessert, I'm going to finish that up, and I think that's going to be it for the rest of this evening. I'm really looking forward to being in front of the computer tonight. There is hockey on again, which is great, although I have started watching the World Juniors, which started yesterday. So it's pretty much all hockey all the time right now. When hockey's on, I'm really good at focusing in on my work. So that's partly the reason why I really love to have it on as background noise. I was getting into a groove with updating my finances spreadsheet, so I'm really eager to get back to it. That is going to be it for Vlogmas Days 26 and 27. I will see you very soon for the next installment. Bye!